Hey, game changer, earth shaker, life changer. What is up? I want to talk to you about what's going on inside of your brain. What are you talking to yourself about when you're talking to yourself about yourself? Yeah. What are you saying? Are you saying good things? Are you saying how awesome you are? Are you saying how you believe in yourself, how you love who you are, you love how you look, you love what you do? What's going on in that noodle of yours? Listen, be careful. Our thoughts become our actions. Our actions, of course, produce our results. So how do we get in charge of our thoughts? Well, let's back up a step and let's change our beliefs. Belief about ourselves. Maybe we need to change our belief about our product. Maybe we need to change our belief about how people feel about us, what they're thinking when we pick up the phone to call, what they're thinking when we meet them. Let's develop some good, healthy self-talk. Let's get rid of the head trash. I'm telling you this, if you don't think it's holding you back, I want you to do this. Keep a journal this week of all of the bad things you say to yourself about yourself and all the things that other people say that's negative about you that you let them say. What is it? Well, Donnie, I'm a positive person. Well, hey, listen, positivity is great. I'm talking about literal sentences and feelings that you're feeling. And I guarantee there's a ton happening that you are not even aware of. So keep that journal, keep that log, and then let's be intentional. Let's find some good things to say about ourselves. And I was introduced to this concept a long time ago as a Christian. One of the things we talk about is, some people will say, confess the word or speak the word. And so there were things that we would, say in terms of a prayer or a confession. And then when I came to be a coach at Southwestern Consulting, really, I learned about positive self-talk, which I've got to tell you, I used to think was hooey. I used to think it was garbage and foofy and weird, honestly. But because I saw some people that I respected and loved doing it, I decided to participate as well. And self-talk happens best out loud. Yeah, that's right, out loud. You gotta say stuff to yourself about yourself. And it actually works even best if you actually sound like you believe it. So don't just say, I'm a great salesperson. Say, I am a great salesperson because my heart is to serve others. Don't just say, I'm going to be a great prospector. Say, I love the phone and the phone loves me. These people can't wait to hear from me and they need me more than I need them. Do you hear it? Even if you don't feel it, act like you feel it. You see, the neat thing about your brain is it doesn't really differentiate between real and imagined. And so if you begin imagining things about yourself, you will arise to that level. If you don't really like how you look, you need to start right there. I hope you never die, you handsome devil. Gosh, you look so good. I know, listen, it's going to feel weird in the beginning, but I want you to unleash the power of positive thinking about yourself, also about your product. Man, my product is life-changing. These people need this product. Have some good self-talk going in about that, or else it's just too easy. It's too easy to not believe in yourself. It's too easy to not believe in what you're doing. And listen, you're working from home, you're working from another area. There are so many things that are just going to try to get your attention away. You got to tell yourself what you're going to do. And so let's work on that self-talk. And oh, by the way, put your plan on a calendar. That's a part of it too. And let's live by these things. We have to be the masters of our destiny. We have to steer our own ship, to write our own book. And let's just, my hope is that this gives you a little more control over the direction that you're in, because I know you're at home, laundry's calling. You could watch just one TV show. Nobody would say anything. Nobody knows. But you do. And every time you take a loss, it creates more momentum for the loss. But here's the cool part. Every time we have a win, even a small win, it creates more momentum for more wins. I'm going to close with this. Vince Lombardi said that winning is a habit. It's not a sometime thing, it's an all the time thing. You don't win once in a while. You don't do things right once in a while. You do them right all the time. Winning is a habit. All right, Sell Anywhere Nation, let's go ahead and make it a habit to start thinking awesome things about ourselves, about our product, about our life, about what we're doing, about how we're doing it. Let's start that positive momentum, which will carry over into your actions and create the results you want. Hey, thank you so much for joining us today on the Sell Anywhere podcast. I really hope that we've equipped you and motivated you to be able to sell no matter where you are. Remember, your talent is not limited to your zip code. And if you can sell anywhere, you can sell everywhere. Hey, if you've enjoyed this, share it with a friend. Rate us on iTunes. We certainly would love a good 5-star rating. And if you know anyone that you think should get involved, or if you would like some more content like this, just go to DonnieTuttleSWC.com. That's DonnieTuttleSWC.com. And we will catch you next time.